Today I'm going to walk you through Gtmhub and its main features. The first thing you see once you log into Gtmhub is the hub, where you can see all of your personal, team, or company OKRs and their key results. You can use its filters to set up an easy-to-access view of any OKRs that you would like to focus on at first sight when you log in. Next is one of the key tabs that you'll be using in Gtmhub, the OKRs tab. Here, you can manage your time-capped OKR sessions, as well as create new OKRs and key results at a company, team, or individual level. You can also take advantage of the easy-to-use visual representations that allow you to get both a high and close-level perspective of your OKR structure. OKRs need ownership and contribution. This is why we have created the People tab, where you can set up your company structure, manage your teams, as well as individuals, and you can also grant them recognition for their achievements. These days, almost every modern business works with vast amounts of digital data. Being able to use that data to contribute to your OKRs and practically measure their progress is essential. Gtmhub's insights allow you to integrate multiple out-of-the-box platforms as well as custom data sources so that you can use the metrics of your digital data for your OKRs. Our reporting feature lets you monitor comprehensive information and statistics about your organization's progress and your users' performance. In addition to the reporting tab, one of our most newest features is the automation rules. With it, you can configure and schedule different actions related to your OKRs, ranging from scheduled notifications to automated changes. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. If you have any questions, you can refer to our help section or our website's live chat.